issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Bastrop County, northwestern Caldwell County, until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
No.
Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin soon. Source: radar. Intact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lockhart, Meadowall, Lytton, Springs, Dale, Downtown Colony, Mendoza, and Knoxville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
That's good. Call it 2.